Thank you. Good morning. Kilos ng puso ay masaktan. Thank you for the 3 people. Thank you guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. Wala pang thumbs up. Morning, beautiful. Hi, good morning. Hello, mom. Hi, Romel. GGDH. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hi, Rodrigo. Thank you for the thumbs up. Francis Philippines. Thank you. Oh my God. Good morning, all good. Thank you. Ma'am. Ma'am. Bayaran kita isang gabi. Oh my God. Pinalaki ka bang ganyan ng magulang mo, Ramley, Ben Ali? Ganyan ka ba kabastos pinalaki ng magulang mo? Ganyang attitude ba? Tama ba yung ganyang attitude mo? Thank you sa nag-thumbs up. Tama ba yan yung sinasabi mo? Ganyan ka ba pinalaki? Para maganyan-ganyan ka. Hindi ka aso. Respetuhin mo yung sarili mo. Kaya paano ka respetuhin ng ibang tao? Ha? Kahit gaano ka pa, para kahit marami pa yung pera mo, kung bulok yung pagkatao mo, wala kang kwenta para sa akin. You're beautiful, sexy little girl, and beautifully. Thank you. Broken vibes. I wish I could hear you whisper. Oh my God, into my ear. Thank you for 10 people here. Thank you po. More likes. More likes, my friend. Thank you. Bakit? Ah, hindi kita kilala. Tsaka wala akong gusto galing sa'yo. Never. Kahit ikaw pa yung mayaman dito sa buong bansa. Yabang lang ang meron ka, Ramli. Kayabangan lang yan. Kayabangan, kalibugan, katangahan. Hello po. Hi, Kaiser. Hello, Sheryl, Renil, Rebre. Hi, Jizzy Kazaya. Thank you sa nag-heart. Thank you so much. Ultimate Battleground Destroyer. Hello. Jerry, ma'am, pa-shoutout po ang Graho family ng Calamba, Laguna. Hi! Shoutout sa Graho family ng Calamba, Laguna. Shoutout to Graho family ng Calamba, Laguna. Hello po from, galing po sa Bicol, Bicolana. Salamat po, Graho family from Calamba, Laguna. Salamat po. God bless you po, Graho family. COVID is back, but it's not that bad. Only a little. What little means? Hi, Ronald, Paul James Owens. Hey, beautiful. Broken vibes. I'm Bonso. Ang buang. Hello, ma'am. Good morning po. Good morning, Lucia Max Vlog. Cheryl Angel Face Filipina. Rodrigo, thank you so much. Thank you for the 14 thumbs up, guys. Abay. Love you. From Abay. To click on the screen, like, okay, easy. Very easy. Paul Snow Cloud. Good morning, Paul Snow Cloud. Isa pa to eh. DJ. Isa pa to eh. Adik. Azumaki. Hi, Azumaki. I like you a lot, girl. Cute. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you for the 15 people. Thank you, guys. Thank you po sa lahat. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you so much. Don't forget like my friends, please. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you so much. You single? No, I'm not single, Paul. Salamat sa nagta-thumbs up. Kulang na kulang. Thank you for watching. 11 people here. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Kulang na kulang ba? Hindi pa ba sapat? Inubos mo lahat. Panahon ko sa'yo. Anong gagawin? Di mo na like for Sheryl. She deserve my friends. Okay. Thank you, Rodrigo. Ronnie Bellar. Bellar. Sea legs. Good morning, Aliki Adi. How is everything? Everything is fine. Everything is under control. West Local. Hi, West Local. Thank you. So beautiful. Thank you, West Local. See you later, girl. Good to see you. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you. God bless you. Take care always. Good night there. Sleep well. Have a sweet dreams. Welcome to Brazil always. Welcome to Brazil. Thank you. Welcome to the Philippines. Also, too. Best love. Hello. Love you all. Aliki Adi. Kulang na kulang ba? Hindi pa ba sapat? Don't forget to message me. Oh, message me. Oh. Message me. Oh. At tang tumigil yung nag-ano sa akin. Salamat sa pagtigil sa other respectful comment here. Tokyo Berpolo. Si Amo Bibi, magandang umaga po. You're beautiful. Hyosen. Hi, Hyosen. Late reading. Thank you sa nagtamsak. Oh, what's up? I have no what's up. I have no what's up. Sorry. Thank you, 12 people here. The Bears. Hello, Bangso. How did you sleep? I sleep well. I sleep well. The Bears. Thank you for 20 people giving the thumbs up. Thank you, 12 people here. 21 now. Thank you. Where Kuya Tim? Maybe he's sleeping now. Hi from Slovakia, Europe. Hi Panther from Slovakia, Europe. Europe. Thank you for 16 watching now here and 22 Hansek. Kulang na kulang ba? Hindi pa ba sapat? Inubos mo lahat. Panahon ko sa'yo. Why don't he want you to have more moderator po? Siguro, um, ayaw niya ng maraming ano dito. Respect my friends live please. Thank you Rodrigo. Gusto niya yung mga ano, gusto niya yung moderator, yung mas kilala niya, yung parang matagal nang magkakilala, yung parang ganun, mapagkakatiwalaan, parang ganyan. Add me please po. Baka magalit. Baka magalit. Ayaw ko mag-aaway pa naman sa mga ganyan. Maybe later, maybe sa sa mga susunod na araw, malay mo, friends kayo. Mahirap mag-awayan yung mga ganyang bagay. Opo. Yes po. Thank you for the 17 people. I understand po. Thank you, the bears. Thank you so much, the bears. Salamat for thank you for understanding. You know Suman? Hello, Totok Cosmiento. Like Suman po. Thank you for the 19 people watching here. Thank you guys. The Suman. Kung wala ang mga manunulat, umuula lang sila kung ano tunay na nagaganap. Ang lagi kong parang tunay sa buhay, hindi ba rin... Binus Balan, she deserves respect always. Thanks. Thank you, Rodrigo. Ako po ang inyong nanay Christopher Lee. Thank you so much. Teleservisyo para sa Pilipino. Bye-bye, my flower. Bye-bye, Rodrigo. Thank you. God bless. Good night. Thank you, 19 people here. Thank you po. Lagi niente. What it means? Thank you, 24 thumbs up now. Hello, beautiful. Hey, I'm from Indonesia. Hi, episode 1828 from Indonesia. Shout out to you from Indonesia, episode. Bashir Taiz. Hi. Hi, Bashar. Say your last name. Om. So, Bloods, ano po may papayo nyo sa iniwan luhaan? Ang may papayo ko sa iniwan na luhaan, bakit ka iniwan? Bakit iniwan yung luhaan? Or maybe, dahil sa may iba na, niloko siya ng, naghanap ng iba. Siguro masasabi natin na na luhaan sa ngayon. Luhaan sa ngayon. Okay lang na umiyak, okay lang na magtanong bakit ganito, hindi ba I'm not enough? Hindi pa ba ako sapat? Okay lang yan, normal yan. It's a process. Pero kapag namnamin mo yung sakit, ang mapapapayo ko, namnamin mo yung sakit, hindi mo deserve na ganyan. Kasi marirealize mo later na i-improve mo yung sarili mo, no? Huwag kang magpakalugmok sa sakit na nararamdaman mo. Okay lang sa isang araw, dalawa, tatlo, iiyak mo yan. Mabuti nga naiiyak mo yan, ilabas mo yung hinanakit mo. And then, after nun, alibangin mo yung sarili mo, yung ma-improve yung personality mo, ma-explore ka, hanggang sa makamove on ka. Hindi, the revenge, no? The best revenge, ayusin mo yung sarili. I-improve mo yung sarili mo. Then, ipakita mo sa kanya na yung ginawa mo, yung ginawa niya sa'yo, masakit, pero worth it naman kasi you're realizing na hindi siya ang para sa'yo. Kasi ang ano talaga yung mas nasasaktan is yung mas totoong nagmamahal. Kasi yun sila kasi part lang sila sa buhay natin para masaktan tayo to grow up, para mas maging mabuti pa tayong as a person. We don't need to revenge. Huwag tayong gaganti. Gumanti tayo as a good good revenge. Hi, Bashar. Bablets. Yun lang. Kasi naranasan ko yan. Kasi kapag magpakalugmok ka dyan, magpakalunod ka sa stress, walang mangyayari. Wala mangyayari. Magkakasakit ka. Mas lalo niyang ma-realize na, okay pala na niloko ko to. Okay pala na inano ko to kasi miserable ka. Hindi, wag kang ganun. Wag mong gawing dahilan para mas mapatunayan niya na dapat kanyang iwan. May mas mapatunayan ka sa sarili mo. Hindi sa ibang tao, kundi sa sarili mo. You need to love yourself more. Kasi kung naibigay mo yung love na deserve niya, dapat na yung ginawa yung best, tapos ganyan din. Hi, Bratnon. Luis Carlos, hello. Bella Morena. Bashar from Yemen, Bashar Taez, Sensible Man. Hello, my dear. How are you doing today? I'm fine, Sensible Man. Shout out from Florida, D. Gerald Stella. Iniwan po ako ng girlfriend ko na Makati. Makati pa sa Korikong. Yeah. Maraming ganyan. Mga babae ngayon. May mga babae ngayon na kahit may karelasyon na, nakikipag-fling-fling pa sa iba. Na ano ko rin yan. Yan ngayon. Pangit kasi ang daming babae rin ngayon na kahit may karelasyon na ikipag pa sa iba. Nakikita ko rin yan. Nakikita ko yan, realidad. And ako? Sorry. Iniwan ako ng girl. Yes, maraming ganyan dito. Oh my God, talaga, blitz. Sorry. So, pag mga ganyan, iwan mo na. Kahit masakit, no? kailangan natin i-ignore, alisin mga toxic na tao sa paligid natin. Kahit masakit, alam ko sa umpisa masakit yan. Sa umpisa, kasi sa umpisa naman talaga masaya din. Then after, ganun din yung process ng move on. Sa umpisa masakit, and the after, little by little, it will good naman. Okay lang. Sanayin din natin yung realidad din naman na hindi naman mahirap mabuhay dito sa mundo. Totoo, real talk talaga, realidad dito. Siguro kailangan mo din pagdaanan yung mga hard, yung mga yung ganyang experience to be mataging matatag ka. Nakakalungkot lang kasi kung sino pa yung pinagkatiwalaan mo, yung minahal mo ng totoo, tapos siya yung manggagago sa'yo. It's a very real happen dito sa natin, sa nangyayari sa buhay. You look amazing. Thank you, Sensible. I have subscribed and like. Thank you, Ebso. Hello, beautiful. Thank you, Ebso. Kumusta? I'm okay. Love, Lazy. Peter Griffin. Lazy. Bonso, beautiful. Thank you. The birds. I am rich. Peter Griffin. You are rich, man. You need to be grateful. You need to feel blessed and good. It's good for you. Love. Hi! Hello! Nagla-live ako. Try standing up. I will see how tall you are. I'm 5'1". Peter, what about Meg and Stewart? Stewart. Don't stand. He wants to see your body. Yes, I know. Thank you, the bars. Kumusta? Okay lang, Venus Balan? Hello, beautiful Reginaldo Arada. The birds say I'm loyal to you. Thank you, the birds. Kumusta? Artist Dudley. Just speaking, art's gone. Steven, can I call you a nickname? Yes, you can call me Secretong. No, that's not. You can call me She, as Sheryl. Thank you for the 14 people here. Thank you po. Oh my God. No. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Da, da, la, la, la. Wait. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. A meeting, have a meeting outside, maybe a purpose. I'm older, you're not my ate. You can call me Ses Sheryl. Pabati naman dito kami Japan. Hi Mark Altas from Japan. From Japan, shout out to you. Hot like me. Don't you wish your girlfriend was sweet like me? Don't you, baby?
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, Philippines.
Is that nanay? Is that nanay? Ganda naman, syempre. Don't you wish your girlfriend was good?
Hi. How are you today? My name is May Burugan. Oh, sorry.
Thank you for the 22 other people watching here. Yada sa Barbara. Yada si Barbara. Don't you wish your girl from us? Barbara. Hi, mom-in-law. It's not my mom. Oh my God. We're same age, you know. Hi, beautiful.
Hi mga ka-YouTube! Hi, good morning!
Maparipa ka na?
Ha?
Saan mo ka maparipa? Sa aga, na aga?
Pwede mo na yan.
Pwede man yan.
Hapon.
Oo, sige.
Hi guys! Subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Thank you for watching. Di ba, nag-iimag ako. Yada si Barbara.
Ano niya na oras na?
Ano oras? 8. Napabunta ka?
Pwede mo kung niya ako mga bago. Napalipa ako doon.
Pakataon ka na lang. Alam mo.
Pero si Raymond ang palipa ko.
Pwede.
Order mo na ako motor ka tita Mahila doon. Hey guys. Ha? Paano na mo ng followers kung pera na?
Nakatawa ko sa profile ko. Hi, Tristan Gamer, Philip Lucky Man. This is my friend. Neighborhood.
Yan ang mapapatog mo ako doon.
Oo. Oh, ang hanapon ko, nakalimutan ko, hindi ko binutang.
Oo.
Nahaying, halata lang. Ay, nalilimot ako.
Alam mo na iparipa ka papagrocery mo na. Yung mga sabon, mga shampoo. May mas mabagay ng mansion mo. Nadaganan pa na ng butangan mo. Maling bultan. Ay, lima natin na.
Where is your man? Whose man? My man is sleeping. I don't know what he's doing right now. My man. Maybe going outside. He's going outside. Bobby Ham, Cheryl, are you married with children? Not yet married, but I have a kid. One kid. Not yet married, but I have a kid. Do you have a husband? No, now, not now. No husband for now, but I'm trying to. But soon I will have. Give me your WhatsApp. I have no WhatsApp, Philip. Yes, me. I have no WhatsApp. My phone full storage. No, no available for new app. Sorry. Hi. Paripa ka na lang.
Pagpalaing ka ng Panginoon. Papadamihin natin.
More blessed to you. Give me your Facebook.
Nabahala sa grocery. Mga shampoo. Ang patay ako sa mga 20. Hanggang 40 lang
Dili
po
mo
yun.
yung pag-ubuso.
Alin man, hanggang 40 ba ganyan ng beer. Kaya ganun
Oo.
lang.
Working already.
Makutor lang ako pang dito ba ito?
Working already. Like the live chat. Thank you, Petrol, 100%. Petrol, 100%. God bless. Should be no. Sorry, Philip. I not yet buy yesterday the bikini. Maybe tomorrow. I will buy now. I will buy today. Are you in the Philippines, Bobby Home? Yes, I'm from Philippines. Julito Calonod. Hi, Julito. Julito Calonod. Hello. Not yet buy yesterday. Today I will buy. Hey, Philip. Hi, Petrol. Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was freak like me? Don't you, baby? Of course you are in the Philippines. Yes, Nick Nicholson. Musta John? I'm not John. Oh my, much John. John. No, no. Philip, stop. Petra, I am from Nepal. Hi, Sudhirgiri from Nepal. Thank you for know what. No, I can't. Today I will buy a bikini. Okay. Maybe tomorrow I do. Yeah. Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was freak like me? Bra is the same. Bra is the same. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is sky blue. I like BB coin name for you. Huh? BB. Yes, I wish. 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 Where are you from, Philip? I forgot. Sorry. From Australia? Wow, good choice. Ang ingay. So here, Gary, and Jennifer visa passport free country. Ah, you're from Italy. I sorry, I forgot. Hi, oh, bro. Hi. You came here soon. Why should I came there? Italy, Roma, Gigi course. Hello, beautiful. Just came into hit the like button. Hit the like button, and you must have a great day later. Thank you. I'm American, but not Texas. Lol. Your English is amazing. In Venice. Wow, in Venice you are, Philip. My God. Really? You are from Philippines. Yes, I'm from Philippines. Hi, dog. Welcome here, dog. Yes. Oh my God. Come to me. Why should I come there? Ticket is expensive. Maybe 1 million pesos. He's still sleeping. I have a bad dream last night. Maybe it's just tired, or I come and I take with me back. Philip, you barely have an accent. Where are you from, really? I'm from Philippines, really. Pabati naman kay Ate Lilia at kay Manay Sana. Hi! Kay Mana ay... Pabati naman kay Manay Lilia. Hi po, magayonan. Kay Manay sana, hi. Tagay tayo soon. Very nice. Thank you, Sudher Gary. I'm serious. Really serious, Philip? Maybe you need to find another uh, beautiful Filipina. That because me, I'm not available. Philip watched Timmy Bite. That's her street dog. Oh my god. Sita King, Jesus Christ will fix it. Dararara, I know. Mapakro kita. Sige, kasan kita mapakro. Why is your name? What is your name? My name is Sheryl. Kulang na kulang ba? Hindi pa ba sapat? Inimbus ko na. Why you don't invite me there? Okay, come here in the Philippines, Philip. If you came here, I want to meet you a Filipina here, some single Filipina here in Bicol, Philippines. Oh, what? Good morning to you. Good morning, George Lidividakas. Bobby, if you don't mind, me asking how old are you? I'm 40 years old. Bobby, are you province girl? Yes, sir, doc. Yes, doc. I'm province woman. Sitak, have a beautiful voice. Thank you, Sitak. I want you. Oh my God, it's Filipino ako. Hello, beautiful. Hi, Donald Holcomb. You said you are single. I'm not single. I'm not saying I'm not single. Who, when I say that I'm single, I said I'm not yet married, but soon I'm getting married. Good morning, Canada. No, Canada. I'm not Canadian. Is your boyfriend black? No, no. My boyfriend is not black. Now you are. Did you see 40 years old? Yes, Buckingham. I'm 40 years old. Yes, darling, you are a beautiful sweetheart. What? Ayaks naman. Ducky, congratulations. Why? Not yet. I am Hindu. Okay. Nice to meet you, Sadhar Gari. Joe Louis Rangel. Game over. Game over. Wow, what it means. I have a knot. I have a knot puttering on her finger yet. Sana all. Sana all. Okay, I don't disturb anymore. Oh, Philip. Sa nagtampo yun si Philip. For being engaged. Not yet. You look much younger. Thank you, Bobbyham. Ang dami mong girl. Ang dami mong girl. Tiyan. Di mo napapansin. Oh my God. See what it means. I don't understand that. Philip knew her life amazing. Don't leave. My God, Doc, you got all guys fighting over. Then you decide. What should I decide? I don't understand what it means. Say time. Why? Why should I say that? You are a very nice person, George Lidivik. Thank you, George. Bobby Home. Have you ever been to America? Not yet, been in America. Not yet. No. I subscribe to your channel. Thank you, Doc. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Doc, I just like to flirt at her. She always says, no, 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 Lord. She's mine. Don't say that. God. I don't understand what it means. It's the same. It's the same words. Give you guy. What it means. Kulang na kulang ba? Ah, okay. See that. It's bad words. Yeah. That's why I don't say it. I don't say it. She's trying to, she's trying me to, But no, don't try. Ask me, I'm Italian. Yes. Has no tradition. What it means, Philip? What is mean? What that's mean the word? I don't want to. Philip, bye. Nagalit. Bye. Bye, GBR guy. Guy. What it means, Philip? Oh my god. What? Say it. Say it. Mwah. I will translate it later on Google. Hmm. Abdul Rahman Saleh. He don't know cause in black. I like and subscribe. Thank you, Tristan Gamer, for the subscribe. I aim the camera lower. Leo, Stoicky. Stoicky. Darn! Gusto ko lang lumipad. Darna! Can I call you? Can I call you down? Call you what? Kulang na kulang ba? Di ba ba sapat? Inubos mo na pinahulog ko sa'yo. Anong gagawin? Di mo napapansin. Show back, come on. Only all want to say no. Philip, calm down. Can you on telephone? No telephone. Flot. Are you engaged? Engaged. Soon, I'm engaged. Soon. Kulang na kulang ba? Di pa ba sapat? Inubos mo lahat. I buy a telephone so I can call you. Okay, buy me up iPhone Pro Max. iPhone 16 Pro Max. Joke. It's a joke. No, it's joking. I would like to call you too. Oh my god. No, it's joking. I'm joking. I'm joking, Philip. Sorry, I'm joking. Oh my god. What? I would like I send me your email or something and I buy for you. I'm joking, Philip. Sorry. Oh my god. It's a joke. What part Philippines are you from? Philippines. Good morning, Cheryl. How are you? I'm fine, Sir God Sanders. No, Bobby, I'm fine. Hey, how are you? Nice to meet you. I need you to come over to visit with me. I will get you. Palinapa. Hi, Palinapa. Where are you from? Po. She's already taken. Please be respectful to the host. Thank you, Sir Gus. Hello, you're so beautiful. Thank you, Andy. Mapai. Cheryl will make the choice. Bobby. Sorry, guys, I'm taken. Sorry. I'm just joking. I'm just joking, Philip. I'm just joking about the Philip. What I say to me. It's a joke. Oh my god. Taken by. Not yet married, Sir Kirby. Taken by me. Rafael Navarrete. Hi, you taken already by me. Oh my god. Junior 7. Hi, Junior 7. Are you male? My god, I'm woman. I'm female, of course. Maybe I look like a male. I look like a male. I'm leaving. I don't like the respectful. Goodbye. Okay. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. Bye, guys. Thank you for joining here. Philip, I saw her friend. Did you unmod him? No. Maybe he's busy. No, I'm not unmod. No. Junior 7. I'm not unmod him. He's not here. Maybe he's busy. He's busy. Julito Calonod. Hi. I come there to you next month if you want. It's a joke. Junior 7. I always trouble. Really? Philip? What are you? Andy Mapayas. Laos. No, Laos. Laos, the, no? What it means, Rafael. I don't understand. You get muscles. Yes, I got muscles. But I'm not male. Oh my god. Maybe I look like a male. What it means, Philip. Bobby meat. Are you? No, I'm not Lao. What Laos means? The country? Or the I'm Laos? Yet. I'm not yet famous, but I'm Laos maybe. Hindi pa sumisikat Laos na ganun. Pero I'm Filipina. May gulay. Lao. I meant Lao, sorry. Ah, no. Ah, Lao. Okay, I'm sorry. It's fine. It's okay. Thank you for the 3 thumbs up. Pabati man kay Tito Putoy. Sa dami ng babatiin. Hi Putoy. Hi po kay Putoy. Pabati kay Mark Altas from Japan. Papagalo. Papagalo. To these times you have to task. Okay, what asking? What do you mean love? Kulang na kulang ba? Hindi pa ba sapat? Inubos mo lahat. Noon ko sa'yo. Well, your beauty by the way. You have a great rest of your day. Bye. Thank you, Andy Mopayas. Thank you, Andy. Inubos mo lahat. Panahon ko sa'yo. Sing a song. What a song? Can you have your telephone back? When you have your telephone back. Bim bam. Bam bam. Hi bam bam. What? Telephone back? You have saying like you are my dream. Philip. Linda. I'm sure you don't buy bikini yet, right? Yes. Yes, I don't. Not yet. Yes, you're right. Don't waste our relationship. Oh my God, Philip. What? So it was a joke. No, it's not a joke. It's real. Tomorrow I do it. I will buy it today. I will buy it today. Brazil. I need your WhatsApp. I have no WhatsApp. Really, my phone is broken. Look, my broken. The screen is cracked. Have a crack. And the turn on and off is my phone. My phone is can't use. And can't edit the new video I do vlog. I can't. That's why I need to lie. No, that's not. No. I'm coming to the Philippines to get you. Are you rich? No, me, I'm not rich. I'm poor. You look like my home duck. My home. Look, my bed. The bed. Miss your room. That's why the room. Bobby, no, it's me, friend. I'm not rich. Look, my room. Smaller room. What's up with the Travis? You sleep on the floor, yeah. With the mattress. If I earn money here, I will buy the no. I will buy a closet like that. Hi, Sir Jerry. Hello, my love. Oh my god. If I earn money here, I will buy closet. I will buy motorcycle. I can send you. Thank you, Philip. You believe in God? Yes, I believe in God. Dog. I believe in God. A million. That's why. Where's Tim? I don't know where's him. Where is your mom? I don't know. Maybe he's busy. He's busy, or maybe he's doing something. I have no idea. Zoom in, my girl and the man. Alright, not yet married, Bev. Think of what a dream could be me and you in the same. My goodness, Philip. I send you. Just tell me how. I don't know how. How Carabao? Gcash maybe. But why you send me? What is why? No reason. Tim told me to take care of you while he is missing. Tim is before last yesterday he said he's going to the for eye for his eyes surgery. Maybe that's why he's busy. He may be just he's busy. What you do for transportation? Transportation I hear is transportation here is um, I walk a lot. I walk a lot here. Oh my god. I walk a lot, sometimes 30 minutes walking, 15 minutes walk. Aray ko. That's why I have a muscle. I have a muscle on my leg. Exercise. The reason is because I think you are a beautiful person. If I can help you, you will be happy and proud. Philip, Gcash is okay. Like, so Gcash is okay. You have Gcash, Philip? Kulang na kulang ba? Hindi pa ba sapat inubos? 17 Bush fire. 17858 How old is your child? My child is 9 years old. It's grade 4 now. Kulang na kulang ba? Do you like rice? I love rice. Rice here is life. Without rice, we're dying. Come on here. What you need is a little money. Come on here. What you need is little money. What is your work, Philip? Romel, good morning, Romel po. Good morning po. Good morning. What is your work, Romel? What is your work, Philip? What are you doing? talk. Rice is like a breath of air. Yes. No, but me, I'm not. I eat I can live without rice. I eat bread, sweet potato, something like. But most Filipina psychiatrists. I help people with their life. Ah, really, Philip? How? You're rich? Are you rich, Philip? Unket, unket bagged. Why Philippine young girls go with old men in hospital? Because unket bagged because old man is I think a matured, normal rich. Normal rich Philip. Really. I think old men. I think for me, prefer for old, matured enough, understanding, something like that. Giver, provider, supportive. Philip is one of them. Try to hook you to his island house. I got lots of rides. Oh, that's nice, dog. I go to sleep. Think about that. Which island you live? Bicol. Babingham, Bicol Island. No, I mean Philippines. My ex-girlfriend was Pina. You can ask her. Pina? Who's Pina? You Philip is legit pimp. Pimp? What pimp? Who's Pina? I don't know Pina. Why break up? Philip. Filipina. Okay, Filipina. Oh my god. Philip, are you playboy? Are you playboy? I'm Filipina too. We were too young. Yes, and you're young with me. I think you're younger than me. I'm 40 years old and I think you are younger than me. So I can ask her about me. What? Pinay means cheap tribal Filipinay woman like you. Pina. So I can ask her. Pinay means cheap tribal. Oh, really? Ankit Bagit, that's it. So you can ask her. That's why the underestimate. Thank you for 50 people giving the thumbs up. Ask if I'm a good person. How I ask even I don't know her. I don't know her. I don't know how your ex. Yeah, for Philip you are just smack. Hi, I'm just the no because he's rich. I gave her feedback. Which is hotter, Filipino or Filipino? Filipino? What means Filipino? I think Filipino. Filipino Espanol. No, she is beautiful person for me. What? Your ex? Philip wanna do dirty things with you. I know at right price he will get that. No you. No, if I get to her first. Bye. Enjoy yourself with mature providers. What? You are a wonderful person to me. Who you're? Who's? Who you talking, Philip? A normal person. You're a normal. If you're rich, you don't need to say that. You don't need to say that if you are rich. Stay humble. Hello, beautiful from Pennsylvania, Pennsylvania. Double tap the screen and subscribe, everyone. You didn't tell me your name. Oh, my name is Sheryl. Look my profile. My name is Sheryl. What are you doing, Philip? I live good, that's all. Cheryl. Yes, my name is Cheryl. Philip, what are you doing? What is your job? Hi, Junior 7. Yes, Doc. My name is Cheryl. Kulang na kulang ba? Hindi pa ba sapat? Inubos mong lahat. Panahon ko sa'yo. Anong gagawin? Di mo napapansin. Hello, beautiful. Hi, Eric. I already told you my job. I work okay. Sorry. Are you a doctor or housekeeping? How are you? I'm fine, Eric. Housekeeper, cleaner there, a manager, a housekeeping. Yours housekeeping. You're going to get famous soon on here, lol. Oh, how? How? Junior 7. Oh my, you sing beautifully. Nice to meet you, Cheryl. Thank you, Doc. Are you a psychiatrist, Philip? What is your job on the hospital? If I laugh at me, that's okay, no problem. Oh no, sorry, sorry, Philip. What is your job at the hospital? What? I'm sorry. You know what? I'm always a smile. You're beautiful and have a beautiful voice. Thank you, Sir Eric. Thank you, Bill. 1551. Today you hit 51 likes. Wow, thank you guys. 51 likes. 52 likes. Oh my god, thank you. Thank you sa nag-likes. Of course, you're going to be famous. Ah, Eric. Thank you, Eric. You need a microphone so you can sing for us. Soon I will buy microphone. I don't like Italian woman. That's why I ask you. Ask me. I'm Filipina. But you have a Filipina girlfriend, right? Why break up? Why you break up, Philip? Your ex-girlfriend Filipino. Psychiatrist. I don't know. I'm just asking Philip if what his job on. Maybe he's the owner of the hospital. Are you the owner of the hospital, Philip? Sorry, maybe you are. Because see, come back there. I was too young. Ah, okay. You was too young. Even it's too young, if the love is real, have it well long and last relationship. Wait. Wait. Na ano? Mga 9:30 kita pa imahali. 9:30. 9:30. Mapakatlo, mapacheck up. 9:30 ko na kami mapacheck up. Hindi bang pasumpanin eh. 9:30 pa man. Ano pa man lang, alas 8. Ano pa lang. Can you flash us? Flash? What flash? I'm still a message for English. Why? Because okay, there is no owner in the hospital in Italy. The owner is in the States. Also, are you a doctor? Are you a doctor, Philip? I miss. Thank you, Bobby Home. Hey, where's the bikini? Tomorrow. I'm not yet buy. I buy it today. Are you a doctor, Philip? Oh my god. Really? English is better than the some Americans. Oh, thank you, dog. Amado Sunny. Amado Sunny. Hi, Amado Sunny. Okay. Okay, you just joking. That's true, dog. Thank you, Eric. Where are you from, Eric? Thank you for the likes, everyone. Kulang at kulang ba? Ah, USA. You're from USA, Eric. Nice to meet you, Sir Eric. Hi, Sixy. Hi, Mark. Sixy talaga. Philip meets normal woman and leaves them mentally unstable. Yes, I think you are, Philip. So you can stop laughing at me. No, I'm not laughing. I'm not laughing at. I'm. Oh, Philip. Hi, good evening, Amado Sunny. Yes, maybe you are right. English po ka po. No, I'm nothing. I'm Filipina, Zyrel. What it means SM Rizal 05. What part USA you from, Eric? What it means SM Rizal 05. Thank you for the 19 people here. We're laughing with you, Philip. Why? But too much beautiful. Miss Sorry. Miss Sorry, USA. Let me guess. You're about 32? No, I'm 40 years old. Ano po pangalan nyo? My name is Sheryl. 40 years old. I go to sleep but think about that. Think about what? Wow. Hi, wifey. Brad Collier. I love you from Mark. Thank you, Mark. Where are you from, Mark? Jitender BD. Jitender BD. Hello for 56 thumbs up, everyone. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much sa dumataan. My girls. Do you want any more children? I don't say it. Gabber. Hi, Jitender BD. You're 40. Where's the fountain? The youth you're hiding. I'm 39. Wow. No. Do you want more children? I want more. 40 looks good on you. Thank you. I'm 39. Thank you. Cheryl is coming back to the USA with me. Well, I don't see it. Sorry, Gabor guy. Do you have American visa? No. Nah, I'm not. I don't have. Uh, Even in the other part here in the Philippines, not yet visas because you know what? Someone said yes. I'm leaving the per. Look, look, man. How I buy ticket if I can't afford the good home? Oh my God, I'm back. Oh my God, I'm back. Secreto, no. Ano ba kayo? No, no, with me, Lord. Come to USA, look after you, baby. Lot of ball bunny. So, Mark, are you American? Maribukon. So loud here. Maingay. Uh, Tapos may nag-ano pa, may good. Maingay. May TV, may motor, have a sound trip outside. Oh my gulay. Hello, beautiful. Hi. You need a band that take care of you and family. Ama and nanay. I know children make Filipinos very happy. Very happy. Ciao, Philippines. Fabio Bezini. Hi, ciao. Kulang, kulang lang.
Ano yan ang anak ko. Hindi niya sinagal ko. Doon niya nang
Doon sa ano?
Alam mo,
Sa mata doon sa ano?
Sa imak pa naman sa ophthalmology ay doktor ako, specialist din sa mga kaso, may beauty yung doon. Ang ano niya, sabi ko dapat, pinagto mo sa schedule, kay schedule yung doon. Ano so, ang sanggulan, lason buwangan ang schedule sa pumula sa imak.
Kasi, patuloy ko mga ay, ano parang na ako.
Oo. Kasi yan yun nasa ano din, sa mata ngayon, sa ano ang sukaran, alam. Ano man lang, Ano man ang kailan niyo magpa-check up pag sa normal kaysa ano na.
Apo to.
400.
Pai, ma-inquire mo na ako dito kung ano na available na schedule sa doktor para dili kita mabuyog.
Kay sa imak man yung nagdudul ay an specialist
Ano muna ako dito kung ano na schedule.
sa ophthalmology. Ang papay.
May suruda na kami dito.
Si papay ba? Papay.
May isda dito na kang papay. Ano ang kanasi.
Kaya makal niya pusik na sinturi niya.
Kasi ano bakal ko nung
Ay, tuloy na. Hindi nagpapakita na si papay na.
Oo, lahi.
Ayun, pwede yung kay sa papay baga ay sila may si Manny ba si baga may makasuot sa ano na lang.
Matagal na laban ko ako sa hindi na ko na ako baban ni Bulaw. Sunil na ko nulot. Ang nipon. Baban ni Bulaw. Masasayang man lang
Dito ka na sa sa Manila kay barato lang dito ako nagpaning sa Dio barato man lang. Kano lang ini?
Dili kay pupusunon ako ng lagos niya di ko ng tigil.
Nagpakatula ko sa pala doktor. Yung pala sugat mo, para panubi nga ang hiwa.
Ay kay dili na nasusukatan.
Kali naman.
Pupus na daw dapat bago pa lang.
Diba na lang ko si Bulaw na siya. Tulad ko sa doktor.
Na lang sabi.
Di na ko napili. Sanay na ko na ako sa sugat niya. Manta ko no, gagamitin niya ito.
Matatalkas. So diri ka na dili magpapakita.
Sayang kung nang papasok. Ito sumiliwa.
Diri ka na
Di
mamuli.
naman ko.
Nasanay ka na
Ay,
ngayon.
sanay na ko na ako. Doon na sa simbolo na sa doktor.
Ay kasi ano na siya kumbaga
Ano mapakunta bago yung sinaan. Bago ko pa nung bayan na mo bago. Okay lang kung kaan mo yun. Eh pag may pag ka na dinipon, madali na yung nakakuha pa sa pangbayad. Kasi ako bakal ko daw sin
ano kwarta mo. Di ba na yun? Nasanay ka naman na sa
ako nga ni kaya kung nagkanta ako sa nipon. Naraw ko ako.
Ay di man baga normal ka man.
Di man ha.
Diri man irog sa iba na pangit.
Okay man ha.
Okay man.
Kaya ikaw ang inyong ako pala mag-open sa ko. Ano pang international? Sige na, kasi na.
Ma-inquire mo na ako, Pai.
Ma-inquire.
Ma-inquire mo na ako.
Sige. Doktor ako, nagano man yung sa medical para ka. Kailangan pinalili pa sa mata mo.
Maano, inquire mo na ako na ma-available sa
Naharap baga sa kanya na kaya na ayun. Ayan, doktor kasi doktor ako sa imak yung arang ko. Bibis na doktor, hindi ko alam. Basta, ang tanggulan sa ultiwada.
Oh, Mali yung nag-inquire ka.
Ma-inquire ako.
Pag may kontinuarang ka.
Paano na lang. Para sigurado.
Sige na.
You look. Well, look at that body. Just incredible. American woman got that fried chicken body. Oh my god. Hi, Nanay. Thank you very much. Maybe unlike this. Oh my god. She's perfect, slender arms, slender body. All of her body parts made to be absolutely beautiful. Hi, Lola. I think I moved to Philippines so I can look young. Yes, you will look younger. Mini here, Filipina is a very beautiful, more than me. Much beautiful than me. Nice to meet you. Jerry, I want moderator so street dog don't bend me. What? I send you in Gcash if you want. How much? How much you send? For iPhone 16 Pro Max. Balboni, you never sent Sydney's video. That's not possible to look more beautiful than you. What? You funny guys. You playing me. 1,000 euro. Ha! Really? Wow, it's a joke. Timid. Don't say that. Don't say that to my team. Don't say that. Why? Why you say? Why you can say that? Sleep now, okay, my other beautiful day for you little in the Filipino. Maria Kate. No joke. Why? See you tomorrow, okay? See you tomorrow, Rodrigo. Kulang na cool. Welcome to Brazil always. Thank you, Rodrigo. Kulang na kulang ba? Hindi pa ba sapat? Inubos mo lahat. Panahon ko sa'yo. Anong gagawin? Di mo napapansin. Can you imagine making love that day? Or guys, ano iniisip nyo? Okay. Is impossible to talk seriously, I go away. What? Kulang ako, keep singing. Ang kapaspat, inubos mo lahat. Panahon ko sa'yo, anong gagawin? Di mo napapansin. Kulang ba? Hi, Doc. Kulang ba? Hindi pa ba sapat? Inubos mo lahat. Panahon ko sa'yo. You know what? Here are so many beautiful Filipina here than me. So sexy, so beautiful, young, smart. Really. Aray. Sumakit. It's okay there, my friend. Thank you, Rodrigo. You don't talk. Philip, I talk nice. Good night, Philip. God bless you, sweet dreams. Di pa ba sapat? Inubos mo lahat. Panahon ko sa'yo. Anong gagawin? Di mo napapansin. Di pa ba sapat? Short long. Bye bye. Bye, Rodrigo. You don't wear makeup. No. No makeup. Even the lipstick. I don't have a lipstick. Natural lipstick. Small.
Naghanap pa sa bayo, kasi ako nagbabakal na.
Okay, I can't sleep. Why? Most women wear makeup up, up. You don't need. I don't know how to make up. If I can, of course I will. If I will, of course I do. I don't know how. I don't know how to put makeup. I like women put the, you know, what's the black hair eyeliner. It's cool. But when I'm trying to put eyeliner here, it's weird, bad. I'm look like a monster. You never had makeup. When I joined here, the Mother Queen, uh, I have a makeup. I look. I want to see what what should I say? The green screen. Look, I have makeup, but not too much. Nothing changed. Oh my god. Nothing changed. My second mother princess. I'm not a winner because it's a money contest. I vote lowest, very low. I win. Oh, you a princess. It's only 9:30 p.m. only. Sleep early. Hi, Jerry. You a princess. I like her life better with no one controlling you. Hi, Kim. Do you have a Muslim girlfriend to hook me up with? No, I don't know. I have no Muslim friend. Thank you. 60 thumbs up. My God. Why? Because I'm not friendly so much. Hello, beautiful from USA. Hi, Gifted. Put your princess picture back up. Kulang na kulang ba? How are you, Mala? I'm always fine, you know. What's your favorite song? Lead me, Lord. My heart will go on. Kung hindi ako, I think you're very lonely and need a real man to make love to you. How you know that, Mark? Perfect cell, Dragon Balls, like your hairstyle and confidence. Really? Thank you, 11 people watching here. Thank you, guys. Oh, maligaw man at mawala. Ikot man sa kawilahin. Thank you 14 people. Thank you po. Thank you team. People. Nathan Kumar. Tumahimik yung Dangi look the same. He. I love you from Nathan Kumar. Thank you for the 12 people here. Thank you so much. My favorite song is Filipino Girl by Billy Crawford. Ah, yes, it's a beautiful song. Let link. Let's link. Mark? Naglaro eh. Wait. Don't go away. Oh my god, 2 hours I do live. It's amazing. Wait, don't go away. I'll be back. I'll be right back. Bye. Next. I see motorcycle in your house. Oh, it's my brother. It's my brother. 11.25? Taya. Tarayain na niya. Uy, tarayain na niyo. Ikaw ang pinaimudan sa da. Matarayain na, matayaman ako.
Tapos November. November sa Tambulan na
Hala ma, oh. Hala.
November 25.
Hala na. Okay. Nagpapalaypay ka na rin.
Si ate ay hindi nag-imod pa na.
Ah.
Pag-imod ko
Ay, tayain na, matayaman ako. My brother. That's not mine. Your husband, boyfriend, father of your children, he has a small... Stop! Mark, shut up. The hardworking Filipina. Hello, girl. Hi. Hada, ma, oh. Uy, tarayain na nato.
Nataod, wala pa na ang greeting. Barikon, maon,
He wants to let you ride the motorcycle. No, because he's so busy. He have a family.
May numero sa, mama yung miracle food. Miracle pa!
Oh my God, oh nga, miracle pa.
Kung diri pa mag-imod si ate.
Kung wala pa, dire pa maimod na may number pala dyan, ay. Anak kabutang man didi, nag-iimod man sa ako, didi ho 11. 11 man na nag-iimod didi sa ako, ho 11.
Pagka ano lang talaga yun ito. Dili pwede sa iwa na lang yung
Aren?
ice cream. Pangaralan mo yun!
Ay nako, pangaran
mo yun sa mata!
Do you exercise your body? Is incredible. I do Zumba. I do Zumba here.
Ano ka ba ito?
That is Tito bike. That's the Tito bike. I don't know if it's working. Incredible body shape.
Moiset! Saka nainit ka lang, puro ka mabuang.
Aray, nagiging nahihilo ako. No. That's... Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka at sa abang panahon na tayo'y magkasama. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay kong ito. You all see buddy. Thank you for watching. I need to go now for my father checkup, eye surgery. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining me here. Mama. Hi, Azo. Hi. See you tonight. Yes, hope see you tonight, guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless us. Thank you. Love you all. Bye bye.